Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful that you subscribed to my channel. And if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for doing so. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Make It New Challenge, and this is hosted by Be Thrifty2 and Marika Creations. So if you haven't already, please be sure to visit their channels. I will leave the link of her channel in the description box and as well as the playlist of all the participants. So without any further ado, let's get started. And the next one, I'm going to make a gift box out of this one. This is one of my lotions cover. So I'm going to use this as a gift box, and I have some Christmas ribbon going on. So I'm going to make this as a gift box. So let's get to it. So these are the final result of both the projects, and this one is our juice bottle converted into Christmas flower vase with Christmas pick on top. And this is one of the lotion cover. I just wrapped Christmas ribbon and some golden ribbon and then vase filler on top to give a gift box look to it. So these both are basically trash to treasure kind of a projects. So I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.